Many animals in the garden are beneficial or friendly in one way or another. The more you have, the better. A diverse garden is a healthy garden. Toads are frogs. Toads are land-dwelling, whereas frogs are more common in water gardens. Toads eat slugs and other garden pests, but treat them kindly. They don't like to be overhandled. Frogs are garden music makers. They eat pests and provide entertainment. Just be sure to protect their tadpoles and eggs in water gardens. Spring peepers are tiny vocal chorus frogs heard in the spring across eastern North America. There are dozens of birds you'll see in the garden. Here are 5 of our favorites. North American hummingbirds of all species are essential pollinators and beautiful garden guests. Nuthatches are flycatchers and insect eaters most common in northern gardens. Eastern bluebirds eat insects, wild fruits, and berries. The females are attracted to bluebird nest boxes placed near open areas in the garden. Finches of all species eat the seeds of sunflowers, coneflowers, black-eyed Susans, and other members of the daisy family. Robins work up the spring garden soil eating insects and worms, but later in the season they eat small fruits. Garden mammals, friend or foe, some regarded as pesky are actually helpful in the garden. Bat benefits. Don't let Native American bats scare you. They actually eat mosquitoes, gnats, and other flying pests. Chipmunks eat pests, they're cute, and they actually aerate and recycle the soil. Moles are one of the best Japanese beetle grub eaters, and they aerate and recycle the soil. Squirrels are nature's tree planters and gardeners. In addition to eating seeds and nuts, they also eat ants, grubs, snails, and spiders. Here are a few garden-friendly garden reptiles. Harmless garter snakes are insect pest eaters, and they keep voles and mice out of the vegetable garden. Skinks eat insect pests, slugs, and are more common in gardens further south. Nurture garden wildlife in 3 steps. Start by planting the plants that attract them most. Secondly, avoid pesticides and herbicides. Finally, plant naturally and organically. Then enjoy your garden's wildlife all summer long.